builder. Bob the builder, can we fix it?
Calm down, you're just making a table.
Bob the builder, yes we can! Okay, aside from the 350, I've also been neglecting this whole space that I have. I should have built this place a long time ago, at least to where I can like work on the car and like have enough space. I know my roommate's car is over there, but there's still a lot of space here that I haven't taken advantage of. I know I said I would, but whatever, I'm not gonna get into that. So, as like the starter of this whole garage build, I'm gonna make a table out of that thing over there. I have wheels under it that are just old wheels for the Mini. I'm gonna get rid of that, clean up that whole place, and then I got some wood like you guys saw. I'm just gonna build a whole table right here. So it'll be like sort of a workbench. I know that whole thing doesn't really look like a workbench. It should probably be like that whole wall, but it's not. So I'm just gonna work with what I have. This wood was over here anyways, and this is gonna cost like $15, so that's pretty good. Okay, so we have 2x4s. Got these cut at Home Depot like you saw. They're cut to 42 inches. It's like a little over 3 feet. It's good enough height for me, so when you're doing this, make sure you measure to your height, so you don't have it too high or too low. I have some wood screws. These are flathead Phillips wood screws. I'm just putting screws, just drilling in. Nothing complex here, just drilling in with my super nice Harbor Freight drill. This is the all new Harbor Freight 3000. Sucks ass. Okay, just drilled. I look super white right now.
You are.
I just drilled everything in. It looks very flimsy and very shitty, but I'm sure you can make a better one for $15, but this was what I had, so I just wanted to use it. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm not gonna do anything like too harsh on it. It's basically just to store stuff, and this place will look cleaner. It looks like shit right now. Ta-da! This is the makeshift table that I just made. It's super shitty. It shakes and everything because there's no support here and back there, or here, or the other side. But I know I said this was a workbench, but it's actually not. I mean, I don't really trust. I don't really trust it. I mean, jokes aside, all you would need is like one support that way and then one support this way, and I think it'll be like better. I don't know if it'll be like super solid. This is kind of high for a workbench, I guess, but I just need something to, you know, put stuff on, and I need all of this stuff on the floor to go up there, so the garage can look a little more tidy. But this was all like what, 15 bucks or something. I think that's worth it. Maybe get like 2 more pieces of wood and make the support for yourself. That's up to you. I'm not gonna, but I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning all of this. So here's a fast montage of that, and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, I'm tired, but everything is back there. It's not the most organized table in the world, but I know where everything is, so that's okay. At least the floor is clean. I mean, I have a windshield here and some stuff under the table, but that's good. It's useful. I think that'll be it for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. This was I guess a short little video. I was gonna make this table, so I thought, you know, why not make a video out of it, and to show you guys you can make something cheap and I guess reliable for the most part. I mean, unless you put something really heavy on there, that shit's not going down. It's pretty good. It's good enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, please don't forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me out a lot. If you like the video and subscribe, whatever. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Okay, now at the very end of the video. I don't look phased at all in the video, but I'm very proud of how this is really nice. Like, I have everything on there and stuff, like, it looks really good. That's all I want to say. That's the end of the video. Does anyone actually, like, follow my stuff that are down below here? Like, I put them on there. I think it looks cool and shit, but like, does it matter? Like, do you follow it? I don't know. I need this light to be fixed too. This is like the rant portion of every video, okay? This will be blooper and rant, I guess, part of every video. Yeah, I need to fix this light. I need to run like a cable up here. That'll be on another video. Anyways, yeah, I should probably close it now. It's pretty much done. It's done. That's the end. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.